Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, my friends! Today we will continue learning the alphabet from letter P to letter T. Are you ready? Let's start with the letter P. Draw a line down and draw a semicircle from the side like this. See that? This is the letter P. Now we are going to make the letter Q. To make the letter Q, make a circle as if it were the letter O. And now draw a line down here. Look at that! This is the letter Q. Now we are going to make the letter R. To make the letter R, draw a line down and then a half circle above as if it were the letter P. Then place a little leg down here. That's the letter R. Let's make the letter S. To make the letter S, first draw a curve. Now draw another curve. And that is the letter S. Now we are going to make the last letter, the letter T. To make the letter T, draw a line like this. And now draw a line through the middle that goes down. See that? It's very easy. That's the letter T. I hope you liked it, friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you later!
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!